Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice to be back and very excited to be here with you today to share the unboxing of this package I just received from Alisha from Love Letter Generation. We did a little Halloween swap and her parcel arrived today, so I just wanted to pop on here so I can video it and share the unboxing with you. So we'll have a wee look, but I'll probably have to reshape everything. Look at this pretty shred, and my favorite color at the moment seems to be lilac. So this is gorgeous. There's a really pretty pencil. This lovely little envelope. I'm just going to pull everything out and then we'll have a look through this. Look at this cool like pink Frankenstein-y vampire-y pouch thing. I can't think of the words, sorry. All these goodies. Oh, goodies. Love some goodies. Look at that. Cool. She's used like a little die on the front there. I'm just going to pull everything out because then we can have a proper look through. Nice. Look at that. Little puffy balls in there. Puffy balls. Puffy pom-poms is what I'm trying to say. Can't put that anywhere. Now let's just make sure I'm in frame and we can have a wee look through everything. Gorgeous. So many goodies. This is just so pretty. Thank you so much, Alisha. Everything looks lovely and I cannot wait to unbox. I am going to just move things off to the side and then we can have a look. So it's this gorgeous pencil and I'll just start with this one because it's here. This is a really cute bag. I've got some of these bags. They're like black with this glittery dot over them. There's a really cute rosette with Hocus Pocus on it. And what is in here? Oh, cute. Look, it's like a little loaded pocket. And she's used some really cute paper. It's a really sweet purple paper with this thrills and little potion bottle and this really pretty pink glittery background. And look, oh my goodness. Okay. Oh yay, these little bags. I saw one of these little bags over here and these are so cute. So some really cute little gift bags with little ghosty and that and a little heart on there. And then she has made me some embellishments. Oh, look at this cute little ghost. So the ghost is like foam, like little foam, so it's like little popped up foam onto the little pick. That is so cute. And she has made, okay, let's start with this one. These are some little pre-made little word things, like little titles, and I have got some of these in like similar ones in another shop. I'm not sure what die this is, but it looks like it is a die. There is like spooky, eek, scary, and ghoul, and they are pink with like really cool I can't even think of my words when I'm on these videos. Like I can't think of that word, like holographic silver, like really cool silver. And here is some really sweet embellishments. I'm going to take them off, even though it makes the rustling noise. It's just much easier to see. Some little gorgeous layered ruffles with this really sweet little tulle on the top, and then she's used some of those word dies to layer on the top, and then she's just packaged them up for me in this cute little packaging. I love those, Alisha. So sweet. And I love that I've got some more little word ones that I can use to make my own. And then here is a set of dies, bow dies. I'll take them off again. I'm just moving to the side so I try not to make too much of a rustle. And this is a set of dies, and there's some little bits of, I love all the little bits of sequins and stuff that stay in all the little packaging. There is a little bow here with the spider web on the front, and then a wee spider on there. This one's got the bat in the background, and it's like she just mixed and matched all of them with these little layering pieces on them, and they are so cute. I cannot wait for Halloween next year now so I can make some more gorgeous things. Thank you for that little loaded pocket, and I'm not sure what this paper is on the front, but it's very cute. Oh, I think I saw her making these. So these are little loaded pockets. And I think this is a die. and it's like a little die for like a little like almost like loaded library card pocket. So here is another wee foam die cut that she's put on a wee stick, and I love that idea. Just pull all the things out and we can have a little look through. So yeah, see, it's a little 3-dimensional little pocket die. This is super cute, but I think it may have just popped, so I'll just re-stick that. Might always do that. Foam is like really hard to stick sometimes. This is a little loaded coffin shaker, and it's got really cute little shaker mix in there, and it is super cute with this little layered ghost and little pumpkin. Cute. Another little ghosty. Here is a little ghost tag with like a little eyelet on there, and she's made like little cute little cheeks using, I think that's probably using little Nuvo drops, and that's a little die cut, and you could add that to like a little tag flip. That would be super cute. And here's a whole lot of die cuts. I love when people die cut things because I'm really not very good at doing it. So these are some dies. I've seen her share these on her channel. They're really cute. There's like all these different little, oh, come off. Little what are these things called? Oh my gosh, I can't think of anything today. I'm really sorry, guys. I've had the flu or COVID or something for the last couple of weeks, and I have just been so sick, and I feel like my brain is just not working properly. The cute little candy corns, and a couple more of these sweet little word toppers. They are so cute. Alisha might have a video on her channel where she says where she got all these dies from, because I can't even remember simple words, let alone where dies are from. So I'll just move these over. Thank you so much. I love when I get dies and stuff, and then I can just pop them in a container and pop them with all my goodies, and then I can add them to my collection to use next year. Here is some cute little somethings, little envelopes. Oh, I think this might be the Fairy Tale Club, that Andrea Bethke collection. I'm not sure if it's, I think it might be last year's, but I recognize this little girl. These are some cute little envelopes she's using the paper and then with a little tie to keep them shut. That is so cute. Alisha, thank you so much. I love that paper. I haven't seen any of that stuff in person. And then what's next? Here we go. Oh, I can see some very exciting looking charms over here. Oh, cool. Here's a whole lot of goodies from the, I can't remember what it's called, that Frank Garcia Prima marketing collection, his first one, and it is so cute. I think it was called 31, and there's like all little bits of goodies from this collection. A 31, all these little tiny pink oh my gosh, candy corns, and some all little bits from the collection. So thank you so much. Oh, and I just saw this little pink heart thing, which I don't think is from the collection, but it is super cute. A little heart epoxy sort of resin piece. I'll pop those all back in there so they don't go missing. Oh, I love this. I love it. Now I haven't opened some out for a look at these charms. And here, a little jingle bell. Oh my goodness. So there is this like poison apple charm, and I just love that. Snow White. Little Know Your Power. A really cool little skeleton epoxy, not resin thing. Horror movie night, little video. Beware, it's Fright Night, and that's my favorite color. Oh, cute. This little pink ghosty. So many charms. A little candy corn. Some of these cute little spiders, so these are like little flat back charms, and I'll add these to my collection. Little ghosty, oh, cute little cat with a pumpkin, a Jack Skellington bell, another little cat, and another little cat. They're so cute. Thank you. I love, I haven't ordered any charms for a wee while actually. I've been trying to avoid AliExpress and the like and places buying stuff because I don't seem to use them, so I'm just trying to use, well, I do use them, but I've got so many that I'm going to try and use what I've got, and now I've got some extra goodies. That is so exciting. Thank you, Alisha. And this, I like this little like policy envelope. It's like a little goodie bag, and what is in here? Some more goodies. Oh my goodness. I'll definitely reuse that. And this a really cute little tag, this little cat on it, which I think looks like it's been die cut. That's so cute. And this little paper and a couple of little goodies. Light as a feather, stiff as a board from The Craft when they do a seance. I used to love that movie. Love, love, love. And here are some little die cut ghosts in pink and black, and I just love those. And then you could like use some plain paper and just back these little bits with their little faces stick out. Thank you so much. Love, love, love. I love pink and Halloween. It's just my favorite, and I actually really like lilac as well. That's a really cute little bow, little topper, so it's like little die cut doilies, and then a cute little bow and this little ghost paperclip peg. Oh, there we go. Oh, I haven't got this collection. So this is the Frank Garcia Prima, the Luna collection. So I think this was the one he did last year. And look at all those goodies. I love these. I've got this as a digital that I purchased. And so cute. But this whole collection is just very lovely. Hopefully see that there. Thank you, Alisha, for sharing that with me. That's very lovely. And then this one. These are cool bags with a little clear bit in the front. This is a cute wee, I think I saw this, I think this might be a die. So this is a little gift bag die, and there's this little ghost, and it's got some little like puffy cotton stuff. I can't think of what it's called, like fluff on behind it, which it looks like a cloud. Oh, and there's a little ghost charm, super cute. That little cat that she die cut, so she's obviously die cut and layered that all up, which is crazy layered. And this cute little piece of crepe paper. I love that. I don't know if she's made it, but it is so cute. It's like pink, orange and yellow, and it's all sewn together. And here's some more die cuts. My goodness, I am so lucky I've got die cutting. It's like, oh, it's not my favorite thing, so if other people do it for me, I am down with that. There is so many cute little pieces. Little oh look, it's like a pumpkin, and it's like the top of the jack-o'-lantern, and some witches hats, and little bats and spiders and little tiny moon sequins. Oh, and look, there's a little cat face. That is so cute. They're so tiny and so detailed. And that little silver paper, that little iridescent paper, is like almost like snake skin, like it's embossed. It's very cool. Put this over here because I'm not going to even attempt to get those back in. And I think this is candy, so I'm going to cut. Oh. Sorry for the rustling. This ribbon is really cool. It's like all twist them. Okay, and then I can put it, but I can attach it to something else like this, so I can still use these cute little spirals. And this looks like candy. Oh, yum. Frito frogs. Yum, I love Frito frogs. So that's some Frito frogs in this cute little cauldron. And let's open this gorgeous pouch. She's added all these ribbons on the end, so like put a just make sure I'm in here, like a key ring bit, and then she's put little bits of ribbon on there, which is a really cute little decoration. And then inside here, oh yum, melt in your mouth fairy floss. I love candy floss. I have such a sweet tooth. And this is a little packet of fairy floss. Oh, this is all my candy treats. And some, oh, night crawlers. Very berry. I love sour candy, and I've never seen these before, so thank you so much. More Frito frogs. Oh, they're super cute. Look, this little cat keyring that is so Halloween-y. Thank you very much. And last but not least, this really cute little sequin mix, and I love this sequin mix. She's included some bits of it in the packaging, and it's got little polymer clay pieces, like little stars and bats and little eyeballs, and it's like a little really cute little like pastel Halloween mix with like black in there as well. I think they might be little witches hats. I can't actually see. I don't want to tip it out. Oh yes, they are. There's little black witches hats. That is so cute. This is such a fun swap. I love, love, love Halloween. It's my favorite. Well, one of my favorites, along with Christmas and all the other holidays. But thank you so much, Alisha. It was so fun doing a swap again and so exciting to get Happy Mail. Thank you so much for sending me these. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you go check out Alisha's channel. I'll link it down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.